Welcome to yet another episode of Spotlight, where you get an opportunity to get up close and personal with the power couple, AVP Sachin and Kavita. You're called a power couple. Do you really feel like a power couple?
Very powerful.
No, I actually feel very weird because I don't know what power couple means. We're just couple. And
Yes, we have a lot of power, but that doesn't mean that we are power couple, right? We are powerful only together, right? Otherwise, we are not powerful.
so I don't know what it means by power couple.
By the way, who call us power couple? I don't know.
कौन ने बोला हम power couple है? किसने बोला?
We.
ये वाला है।
एक कुछ तो आर्टिकल डाला था. We feel powerful when we are together. That's it.
हाँ.
There's so many people that you work with, and do you feel you hold great influence over a lot of people?
We want to be the best example that we could be, and that's what we do. And if that inspires people and that makes them follow us, then good. But what world see is very different than what we are. So I don't know today if you'll get some bites to know who we are, but I think these are just tags and names, and it actually doesn't matter much to us.
And frankly speaking, we are not working for these tags and
Yeah.
names and all that. I don't know how we got this tag and all. If at all we got it, I don't even know when and where exactly this tag was given. Okay, but we believed in only one thing. We love working, and working together is fun. And when we work together, we are big dreamers together actually. हमारा favorite time pass है. चल सपने देखते हैं, right?
हाँ. चल ये करते, चल वो
चल
करते,
सपने
चल
देखते,
ऐसे
right?
करते, चल ऐसे करते.
And you know,
And if there's no one to talk about, चल ये करते, चल वो करते, then there's no fun in life. So he's the only person. So marriage, लोग बोलते हैं कि शादी एक बंधन है. I think शादी एक freedom है. To live with the person you love, to live with your best friend forever, and that's a freedom. So बाकी power couple वगैरह हमको नहीं पता.
yeah, I'm powerful, baby.
मैं नहीं हूँ.
I'm powerful, baby. जिम भी जाऊँगा, touch करो.
After starting the business, how have you been as husband and wife?
After starting the business, very bad. No, I met him. He was my boss.
Hired.
Recruited me. Okay, he took my interview, selected me, recruited me.
Selected you.
And then after working for 2 months in that office, we started going around, and I decided to quit the job because my stake, obviously, in terms of money, was lesser than his. So it was a better idea for me to quit. So I quit. I started my consultancy. So I think I shifted to Pune. I started working in that office only to meet him, and God had a plan. And I don't know, in 2 months we became such good friends that there was no other friend then in my life.
In fact, before this business came in, we started dreaming before that only. And actually, business was attracted by us because we were already dreaming together that we want to do this, but there was no vehicle which was available that time, and we were knowing that, job से तो नहीं होने वाला ये. And that's the reason why she left.
हम संडे को गंदे से पैजामा पहन के बड़ी सी गाड़ी में जो हमारे पास थी,
जेब में फूटी कौड़ी नहीं,
जेब में फूटी कौड़ी नहीं होती थी, और हम करोड़ों के घर देखने जाते थे, और हम ऐसे बात करते थे वहाँ जाके बैठ के कि हम तो कल खरीद लेंगे. मतलब हम नेगोशिएट करते थे जबकि हमारे हाथ में एक फूटी कौड़ी नहीं थी. सो वी हैव बीन ड्रीमर्स ऑलवेज. सो आई थिंक दैट गॉट कनेक्टेड समवेयर, एंड देन आई रियलाइज दैट दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई वांट टू स्पेंड माय एंटायर लाइफ विथ. And then we got married. So after getting married, after getting into the business, your question was how he was as a husband. He was a normal husband. Husbands are just husbands. The wife's expectations decide what kind of a husband he will be, right? So my expectations were not that much in terms of he should do cuddly puddly all the time and take care of me, because I also wanted him to be successful, and at the same time I also became a part of the business because of him, because looking at his passion I decided to get into the business. And I think life had been a roller coaster ride. We could not get time to spend. Once in a month probably we used to meet, because I used to travel, then he used to travel, and there was one thing common always, that we were doing it for our dreams. And that is the reason why I did not miss that husband part of him that much. I was enjoying the business partner part of Sachin at that time. And then now, after spending 9 years in the business, I got my husband back. Okay. I got my husband back. I think, and this business gives an opportunity. Otherwise, if there's lack of money, even if your husband is there in front of you 24/7, it doesn't matter. But
priorities are different. Basically.
Priorities are different.
There are
then you
different
would be,
concerns in the head and all.
yeah, then you would be talking about अगले महीने घर कैसे चलेगा, सोफा खरीदना है तो प्लान करना है, EMI पे करनी है तो प्लान करना है. So now when I got my husband back after 9 years, it's like full हाँ, full on. I got him. I got a complete husband now.
Before it was a part-time husband.
Part-time husband. So not even part-time. He was not even there. So, and even I was not there. So fine. But I think today our discussions are different, and nothing looks impossible now, because in these 9 years, the kind of journey that we have gone through, it was all roller coaster. We have seen bad days, tough days, good days, and everything we have seen. So now the dreams are different, and we now, today what we are dreaming, actually हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसे ड्रीम भी देख सकते हैं, वो भी कभी नहीं सोचा था. तो फाइनली ऐसे ड्रीम देख सकते हैं साथ में. एंड आई थिंक अगर ये नहीं होता लाइफ में तो वो ड्रीम का कोई मतलब नहीं होता. सो यही है.
Frankly speaking,
तो फ्रैंकली बात मत करो तुम.
She was मैं frankly बात करता हूँ. We were already dreamers. We were already dreaming big things. But then this business came in, so we understood that okay, this is the only thing which can give us those things which we were dreaming of. So we were ready to work hard, and we were never cribbing about we are not having time for each other now, because the focus was very clear that we need to make it big actually in life, right? So after business came in life, frankly speaking, there was no wife. There was no wife at all. We were working like our business partners, okay? And yes, at times, when your wife is a downline or your spouse is a downline, you have to go through their tantrums also at times. There's that all happened. So that used to be the wife part actually, right? But the wife part in terms of cooking, this, that, all that. In fact, I never wanted also better to work together and make it big actually, right? But yes, after finishing so many years in the business, now I got my wife back, as I said, right? Okay. Now, after many years, now we take all the meals together. We have hundreds of chai together and many more things together, which I'm not supposed to tell you, right? Okay. The reason behind we coming to this house is not even 10% of the size of the other house, right? The reason why we are here is now I got my wife back, and now she got her husband back. So let's do those things which were missing before, right? Okay. And it was deliberate. It was a delayed gratification actually, right? So now we are, we delayed those things. Now this is we call this house as a honeymoon house. So we can do whatever we want to. There are only 2 rooms, okay? And we cannot escape from each other's eyes, okay? Before, we had to search for each other. Where are you? This, that. She's building another market. I'm building another market. But I think it was worth, because otherwise it was not possible to just decide one day to take one more house just to spend time like a honeymoon couple actually, right? It was not possible. It was only possible because we sacrificed. Actually, I don't call it sacrifice, because we were ready to work hard for that so that we can get this. So, as a wife now, she's my perfect wife, and believe me, if I look at it in a different way, any spouse, if a spouse can support you in achieving your dreams, I think that's the best spouse actually, right? It's not about husband or wife. The most important is she never stopped me, even when she was not doing a business actually, right? She never stopped me, though I used to be out for 5-6 days in a week actually, right? She never stopped me. In fact, she was the one who encouraged me to leave the job because I was promoted and I had to travel a lot. She said, leave it, we will manage, but pursue your dreams actually, right? I think that is what exactly is missing these days, because people want their spouse to do those things which comforts them, but they don't see what that person wants actually, right? Because when you are away, there are a lot of mental issues also happen because you're not communicating a lot, right? A lot of issues you keep on the shelf actually, right? But I think, thank God, this business came in our life, so many camps and everything, which has not just helped us to make a lot of money, but also made us better person actually. Okay, so we understood where I need to change. I understood where I need to change as a person actually, and that makes any relationship beautiful. Actually, I think there is no problem in any relationship, whether it is a husband or wife or anything. If both of them are growing mentally, I think there is no problem which cannot be solved actually, right? Yeah. Okay. So business gave us both the things actually, not just money, but also a individual growth. We understand each other better actually than before. Our reactions are better. Okay. We don't react on issues actually. In fact, we prefer sitting down and talking about it and sorting it out, right? So I think that's called compatibility, and there is no ego. We learn from business only, right? A lot of things which we are supposed to do with downlines, with uplines, everywhere. Same thing is applicable because you become a person like that, actually, right?
Do you guys fight?
Never.
No.
Never.
Fighting is such a bad thing, my mom told me.
Yes.
Never. We never fight.
I never fight.
I also never fight. He fights with me. I never fight with him. I'm always right.
Yeah, I'm always wrong.
हम मतलब fight करते हैं?
नहीं, actually, you know what? The fights have changed. Earlier, in the beginning, there was no fight, obviously. But when business started, no fight at all that time also. When she started business, after that the fight used to happen. Because it was not a fight, it was more of a frustration, because as a downline she had only me. She cannot remove her frustration down there. So it was only me. So it was, that time I was also not knowing how to take it. So I used to give back and this and that. But then after some time we were focused enough towards our business. There was no fight at all. But in that process we grew so much that there's no screaming, shouting wala fight actually. You know, if there's a disconnect, we discuss, talk it out. We agree to disagree also whenever.
No, I'll tell you, we fight. We fight over ये टूथपेस्ट को कहीं से भी दबा देता है. नीचे से दबाना चाहिए ताकि उसका शेप ठीक रहे. तो ये टूथपेस्ट को कहीं से भी दबा देता है. कमोड का सीट पे फाइट होता है. फिर ये नहाता है तो पानी ऐसे छप्पर छप्पर हर जगह होता है, उस पे फाइट होता है. इसने अभी हैंगर पलंग पे रख दिया था, हैंगर कपड़े निकाल के, उस पे फाइट होता है. सो जो भी फाइट्स होती है वो ये सारी चीजें.
एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, जो भी गलत काम होता है पूरी दुनिया में वो सिर्फ मैं ही करता हूँ. मतलब मतलब यहाँ तक कि जो अटैक हुआ था ना वो 7/11 वाला, उसके लिए भी मैं ही जिम्मेदार था अकॉर्डिंग टू हर एक्चुअली, राइट. तो मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. वो कुछ भी होता तो मैं बोलता हाँ उसके लिए भी मैं ही जिम्मेदार था.
तो हैंगर तुम रखते हो, मैं नहीं रखती हूँ.
तो ओके, कभी मतलब
गीला बाथरूम तुम करते हो, मैं नहीं करती हूँ. टूथपेस्ट तुम दबाते हो इधर उधर से, मैं नहीं दबाती हूँ. तो गलत तो करते हो.
सुनो ना, सुनोगी ठीक है, सुनोगी एक बात, सुनोगी इधर, लुक एट मी. ओके, तो पॉइंट ये है कि मैं करता हूँ थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें, बट ये सोचो अगर मैं नहीं होता कोई होता तो कितना करता, राइट. तो खुश रहो ना. मैं थोड़ा सा करता हूँ तो बोलो हाउ क्यूट, थोड़ा सा किया, चलो आगे बढ़ो, राइट.
So, given that both of you have different teams that you work with and you've got busy lives, how do you find time for each other?
If you try to get everything at the same time, you will never get right. So, like for example, in the beginning, we were absolutely okay if we don't get to see each other 24/7, right? Because the whole idea is we want to see each other 24/7 for all our life, not for just for a week or something like that, right? So we were ready to give 3 to 4 years. Maybe if for that we have to be away from each other, okay? But then after that, that's what exactly we got today. We are together because we were ready and we were not craving that time actually, right?
No, and I also feel ki initially, obviously you won't get that much time together, but it is not about quantity, it is about quality, right? What couples today forget is even if they have an hour together, how to make most of it is what is lacking, right? So we say be switched on in the business 24/7, but if you are, so probably they're not dreaming together, and they don't have any common things to talk about, or because if you have 1 hour in a day also together, there's so much that you can talk about. It's always the quality that counts and not the quantity. And after like completing your journey, so after reaching, there will be quantity and quality both. But right now when you don't have quantity, you have to focus on the quality so that you don't feel that there's a lack of time, and because of the business I'm sacrificing or compromising, and my husband is not around, my wife is not around.
Kirkir.
Yeah, so there's no point doing that kirkir. So rather make that 1 hour, spend productively together.
If you crib and complain, oh, I'm not getting this, so whatever you're getting, you're not utilizing that also, right? You're disrespecting that. Second is you're spoiling your own energy. You're spoiling your own energy. You're spoiling your spouse's energy actually, and the whole excitement goes down. And then what will happen? You will keep doing the same thing for a longer period of time, and you will never get that that enough time eventually which you get anyway, right? So better हंस के खेल के enjoy करके करो rather than crib करके, right?
How long did it take for you to accept him as your upline?
I had no other choice. I had this only man, okay, who knew more about business than me. So I had no choice. So I will not say he was the best upline or this is the upline, kind of upline I always wanted. I had no choice.
फिर
So I accepted him as an upline.
फिर
So फिर कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा हुआ.
फिर मैं max out हो गई.
फिर
और फिर मैं consistently max out हो गई. फिर मेरे बच्चे भी consistently max out हो गए.
खुश हो?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
अपलाइन से खुश हो?
नहीं, पति से खुश हूँ.
And what's the toughest thing about working with your spouse?
किसको है सवाल? इसको मेरे को? दोनों. पहले बोलो तुम.
मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है, तुम बोलोगे तो मैं बोलूँगी.
क्या सवाल था?
Toughest thing about working with your spouse?
Toughest thing, basically the spouse is the only one who knows every freaking thing about you, right? Good, bad, ugly, right? So what happens when you are a upline to many people, and till the time that relationship is growing, okay? So obviously you have a lot of gray areas also in life, right? And you have plus points also. So they see plus points and keep moving, and gray areas they get to know later by the time the relationship evolve actually. Yeah? Today everyone knows about everything, right? But that is the easier part because but with spouse that can be used anytime as a hathiyar. Anywhere actually,
तो झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. नहीं, conveniently झूठ नहीं बोल सकते.
झूठ नहीं, conveniently also if upset, तो खुद के बच्चों को देख नहीं सकते, दूसरे के बच्चों को कैसे देखेंगे?
I never went through because मैं तो perfect ही थी हमेशा से. हाँ, you had no point ever to tell me कि तुम घर पे ये नहीं करती हो और बाहर ही बताती हो ट्रेनिंग में.
मैंने तो कभी बोलने का इंटेंशन भी नहीं था.
नहीं, इंटेंशन नहीं, मैं कभी थी नहीं ऐसे, मैं परफेक्ट थी.
अपलाइन के खिलाफ यूज होता है, डाउनलाइन के खिलाफ यूज नहीं होता.
और मैं परफेक्ट थी. परफेक्ट. इसलिए कभी ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया because I'm perfect.
What's the best thing about working with your spouse?
मैं बोलूं? Okay, best thing when you work together and when you achieve, best. That celebration with your spouse, no one can ever. I mean to say that can never match anywhere. Of course, downline, upline, everyone is okay, right? But when two people working towards some goal and achieve it, वो जो achievement का जो fun है ना दोनों का साथ में, वो और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता. वो और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता. Because वो दो ही इंसान जानते हैं उसके पीछे क्या क्या गया है.
Good answer.
Thank you, baby.
Gupta.
Thank you.
I'm impressed.
Impressed થઈ ગઈ?
Good answer.
Impressed થઈ ગઈ तुम?
Looking back today, would you really change anything?
No. Everything is just perfect.
Now everything is perfect.
No. Even then, the struggles were also perfect.
Yeah, struggle
We being together was also perfect. Or whatever time that we have got of each other, I think everything was just perfect. So I don't want to change anything because there's no regret. There's no regret at all.
We had
even I when we traveled in the train without a ticket, there's no regret. That was fun, okay, because we did it first time ever in our life. We experienced that because there was no money. we stayed in
We
a
were not
temple.
sad.
We were not sad.
We were never
we
sad,
stayed in a temple because we had no money, and that was an experience. Otherwise, कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं थी जहाँ मैं ये experience करती. So I think that was also perfect. Came at a perfect time. वो एक जो सटाक से slap मारा ना भगवान ने और बोला कि ये तेरी औकात है.
No,
वो I
also-
think important था.
Also,
Because-
one leg not growing, that was also perfect. Because अगर
perfect
शायद वो सब नहीं होता तो इतना ग्रो नहीं करते mentally. You know, आज लोगों को बता नहीं सकते थे. So I think everything was perfect because we've gone through all those things so that we can probably help other people who are going through.
So one
those
is
things.
help other people, and secondly,
खुद के experience life.
जब एक बार किया है ना, आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, there's no fear of failure now.
There's no fear of it.
Nothing can be worse than, you know, nothing can be more struggling than what exactly we've been through. But it was fun. It was fun.
Okay, so here's one I'm sure many people want to hear. What's been your best memory or romantic moment this year?
2017.
I think वो सारे moments जो हैं वो इस घर में आने के बाद हुए. But I think this house made all the difference, and thanks to this business that we can, you know, take up 4-5 houses and stay wherever we want to. 1 week this house, that next week that house.
You got your husband back now?
मैं कुछ चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी अभी.
Oh, well, you know.
चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी.
मैं बोलने वाला था इसको, तुम हस्बैंड वापस मिलेगा, चल जाओ चाय बनाओ.
चाय नहीं बनाऊंगी.
Romantic moment.
एक्चुअली लाइफ इज रोमांटिक, तो मोमेंट कहाँ से चुराऊं उसमें से? तो लाइफ ही है. ये पूरा साल एक्चुअली रोमांटिक था. वो झगड़े भी रोमांटिक थे, वो साथ में रहना भी रोमांटिक था, वो साथ में नहीं रहना भी रोमांटिक था. व्हेन ही वाज ट्रैवलिंग वो स्टूपिड सा मैसेज करना भी रोमांटिक था, वो स्टूपिड सा मैसेज रिसीव करना भी रोमांटिक था. इफ़ यू सी माई व्हाट्सएप चैट इट्स ऑल हार्ट किस हार्ट किस हार्ट किस. सो सब रोमांटिक है. सो लाइफ रोमांटिक है, तो मोमेंट्स चुराने की ज़रूरत मुझे नहीं महसूस होती. सो आई डोंट नो.
Romantic drive याद है मुझे. And when she bought the car, that time we went for a long drive, and that's what exactly reminded all those things. That was
No, because there was this song from Life in a Metro
Yeah,
movie.
right.
What was that song?
that song was coming. There was a song.
So
from
there,
that,
this
no?
song was playing on radio, which
And
we used to listen to this song when we met actually. So it was nostalgic.
Yeah.
What was that song? वो
इन दिनों अलविदा.
शायद यही है प्यार.
Correct, correct.
ये अच्छा नहीं गाता है.
कुछ अंतर नहीं.
बातें
कुछ अनकही सी.
होने लगी.
बीच में कुछ और भी है.
जो भी है.
Who's the shopaholic out of the two of you?
None of us.
It is a big agenda for both of us to do shopping.
I hate shopping.
It's like, but now we started like, हमको समझ में आ गया अब shopping कैसे करने की. Whenever we go to Europe, US,
हम
better
smart हो गए हैं.
Go pick up everything because दुबई में जाना मतलब, you know why? We love to stay at home. Going out of house is a big agenda actually, right? तो हम गंदा टी-शर्ट, पैजामा या शॉर्ट्स में दिन भर पड़े रहने का, चाय पे चाय पीना और बकर करना, that's what exactly we love doing. एंड उसके लिए बाहर जाने के लिए तैयार होना पड़ता है, फिर पार्किंग ढूंढो, फिर वहाँ जाओ, ये करो, यू नो इट्स टू मच एक्चुअली, राइट?
मैं घर की शॉपिंग कर सकती हूँ विद अ लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, बट वो कपड़ों की शॉपिंग मुझसे नहीं होती.
Yeah, that's the reason why I hired a personal shopper actually, a person who used to do it for me. So whenever it is urgent and I have to do something, I use him.
Who plans the holidays?
Me.
I hate travel. Actually, I hate a lot of things.
Oh God. You know when she's there in the holiday, then she's fine.
Then I'm fine.
और उसके पहले इतना ड्रामा, आलस.
मैं बहुत आलसी.
She's so lazy कि मतलब you know the thought itself कि मेरे को पैक करके जाना पड़ेगा, वो excitement जो है ना, जो excitement है वो कहीं जाने की वो खत्म हो जाती है इसकी. You know, जैसे if you're going to Alaska example, you're going for the first time, right? You'll be excited, right? तो वो excitement छोड़ के वो tension, पैकिंग करो, इसे करो, वो करो, अरे यार अभी वो जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ पहुँच के हाँ आई लाइक दिस, ऐसे हॉलीवुड होना चाहिए, हर साल 2 बार होना चाहिए राइट ऐसा. बट उसके पहले माय गुडनेस.
हाँ एक्चुअली काम नहीं करनी पैदा हुई हूँ मैं यहाँ पे.
तो मत करो.
Okay, मेरे को बोलना है नहीं है. I don't like shopping. I don't like to plan the travel. It's because I feel and I believe that I'm a queen and I'm not born to do all these things. So other people should take care of that. I'll just go and enjoy.
Okay, I will take all my life.
Do that.
Yes, Her Highness.
Do you really feel couples work better as a team in business?
Of course.
Maybe, may not be.
No, I think ये 2 पहिए हैं गाड़ी के, अगर सेट हो गए ना दोनों साथ में तो बिलीव नथिंग कैन स्टॉप. सेट हो गए तो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक husband and wife, not just this business actually, in life if they both are aligned and doing same thing with a mental growth, there's a different fun, there's a different kind of a success because 1 + 1 is 11, right? It's not just this business. But होता नहीं है बहुत जगह. The reason is very simple. Because these are 2 different individuals. Their likings are different. Their mindsets are different. But
नहीं, I think और spouse के लिए tolerance level बहुत कम हो जाता है. वो same tantrums जब downline दिखाता है तो we are okay with it. जब spouse वो tantrums दिखाता है तो हमको problem होती है. So I think वो patience with the other half is very very important.
But I think everything is to do with the dreams actually.
Yeah.
दोनों के लिए अगर dream सबसे ज़्यादा important है तो they will go through everything. But obviously, husband wife working together, I'm looking at perfect mental growth के साथ में, ready to work hard together. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ride कर रहा दूसरे के ऊपर and one is just a support, but both working together with the full speed obviously will reduce the time to make money actually, right?
What's your guidance and advice for couples just starting out in the business?
Enjoy yourself.
And stop correcting each other.
Yeah. And girls, women, all the women, please stop being mother to your husbands. You're not a mother. You're a spouse. So behave like one.
And husbands, please stop correcting your wives always, right? Let them do their own mistakes if they want to. Even if you know they're doing mistake, let them learn their own, right? You will not correct everyone. But just when it comes to your wife, everywhere you want to correct as if you are the perfect, right? So please don't do that. That creates conflict because अब तक feedback लेने की आदत ही नहीं थी. दोनों के area divided थे अलग-अलग, right? अभी common area में आए हो आप. So enjoy. करने सीखने दो, correct? And let the upline handle that, ना? Why you want to become upline? Every husband, whether he's a downline or upline, want to become upline actually for the wife, right? क्यों? जैसे उसको कुछ समझता ही नहीं है. हाँ, जैसे उसको कुछ समझता ही नहीं है.
And what would be your suggestions for people whose spouses are not supportive of the business?
कोई बात नहीं, आप कर लो काम अकेले.
हाँ, आप कर लो और let them live their life. Let them decide their own journey.
Don't try to push unnecessary. If they it's not that everyone want to do that and like to do that, right? Maybe they feel you are good enough to provide them everything and they want to focus somewhere else. Okay, but respect each other's decision. Your success is to do with your hard work, right? That's it.
What's your favorite pastime together?
बकर 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 है ना? बकर ना? और ड्रीम और सपने देखने. वही बकर करते करते ही सपने देखते हैं.
हाँ, बहुत सारी बातें.
बहुत सारी बातें.
पता नहीं किस किस के बारे में. मतलब लोगों के बारे में नहीं, किस किस चीज़ों के बारे में. बहुत बातें. और ऐसे दिन चला जाता है. फिर हम चाय पीते हैं, फिर हम बात करते हैं, फिर हम चाय पीते हैं, फिर हम बात करते हैं और हम बहुत बात करते हैं.
And we can stay at home for a week without going out also.
हाँ,
It's okay.
बहुत बातें, बहुत कुछ है बात करने के लिए हमारे पास में. तो आई थिंक वही पास टाइम है फेवरेट.
अब बिना उसके चलता भी नहीं एक्चुअली.
हाँ.
It's not that past time है, वो बहुत क्रिटिकल है.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो बातें.
And what's the most romantic thing you've done for each other?
Ever.
So I think the most romantic would be actually emotional, not romantic plus emotional. When we were struggling, he was a full-timer in the business. He just recently had become full-timer, and I was running my consultancy. So Obviously, there was always a lack of money. No, you were still in job.
No. It was October. I left the job. It was December.
Huh. So he wanted to, on my birthday, which was 13th of December, he wanted to give me a ring. Because I don't wear jewelry, I don't like jewelry. So the rings are the only thing that I wear, if I wear. So he wanted to give me a diamond ring, and there was no money. And he sold off he got some gold guineas from his office as an incentive. So he sold off all that. Okay.
छोटा था.
Chota sa whatever. So he sold off all that, and he called me and he wanted me to transfer some money to his account, which was given by him only to me. And he said I want it back, and I knew that it's my birthday coming up and he would spend that money. So I said, I have no money, it's all exhausted, I'm not gonna give you anything, and don't buy anything, because that would help us in running the house. But I don't know how he managed. Somehow he managed. He bought that ring.
12,000 रुपए का.
12,000 रुपए की रिंग थी वो उस टाइम पे 9-10 साल पहले 10 साल
Yeah, 9-10 years, yeah.
10 साल पहले, and he bought that ring and he gifted me on my birthday. And not the ring, it's basically the process
Gesture.
of getting the ring.
Most romantic? It used to be daily.
क्या daily?
I'll tell you. In the beginning. So when we started staying together, it was before the business, okay, and I don't remember. We used to obviously, even only dinner we used to have together, because daytime I used to go to office, she used to run her own office and all. Evening, every day she used to cook and wait for me, okay, and I still remember when I used to come, the car honk, when I'm parking the car, she'll look from the window, and when I go up and we sit down together, we had nothing, no sofa, no bed, nothing. We had everything down, you know, Indian style types. We used to sit down in front of a TV and we used to have food. And I don't remember any time in that house, at least, right, Oxford, you know, that I ever ate from my own hands. So it was always, she was feeding me. That's why I become so big after that, right? Then she decided not. So I become thin again, right?
What kind of places do you like going out to eat or party or just hanging out?
We don't like party. We actually prefer, party for us means chai party. हम चाय वाले लोग हैं, okay? मैं कॉफ़ी भी पी लेता हूँ, but we don't really want that bang party actually, right? And we don't like to go sit at places where music and all is there, because we don't like to talk to people. Whether we are together, then also we want to talk. With music we cannot talk. Then even we are with friends also, we want to talk actually, right? Because that's what exactly is a party for us, right? So party we can have in Chacha Chai also, नीचे बैठ के. Party we can have in roadside also. In the beginning, when we started the business, it used to be roadside also, right?
हाँ, कूपा हॉस्पिटल के बाहर में अंडा भुर्जी मिलती थी.
वो भी party था.
And that was the only thing that we could afford at that time. So
बकर
we all
का
used to go there and have भुर्जी नाले के ऊपर होती थी और बकर करते थे. And that was actually the party.
देसी हैं हम लोग, एकदम पूरे देसी.
Now time for the Spotlight Rapid Fire. Hope you're ready. What's her favorite color?
Earlier it used to be lemon, now it is green.
And his
Blue.
favorite dish?
Indian food, any dish. Pani puri.
What's his favorite dish?
Egg curry.
हाँ मतलब, because I'm not a foodie, so I love to eat egg curry.
What irritates her the most about you?
It used to be my hair before. All over the bathroom. Which is not there now.
And what irritates him the most about you?
My question for you.
My cribbing and crying for food.
Yeah, it used to be. Now, no more actually.
Okay. His favorite pastime?
He does this tick, 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 tick. Whenever he is sitting and there's no work, he keeps doing tick, tick, tick from his teeth. I don't know. That's his pastime. Or watching TV. Now, current favorite is Bigg Boss, where people
Yes.
scream, shout. fight all
I
the
watch
time.
TV whenever I
He
free.
loves doing that.
And hers?
Surfing on YouTube.
कोई बिंदी नहीं लग रही.
All-time favorite movie?
Mine? Hers.
Mine. That you have to tell.
Jab we met. One of the.
Yeah.
What about him?
Life in a Metro Dobara.
Yeah, that's one of the.
Her favorite restaurant?
Jodhpur.
Yes.
And his?
Maharaja Bhog.
Yeah, one of the.
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, या तो yes बोलो या तो no बोलो.
Okay, yes.
Okay. Her favorite animal?
Her dog.
And his?
His favorite dogs.
Yeah, dogs.
What do you think he really likes about you?
My food. The food I cook.
What do you think she really likes about you?
My stupidity.
Which dessert does she like?
She don't like desserts.
I hate desserts. I hate sweets.
What about him?
Dessert. He likes actually everything. Anything which is sweet, he loves it. But mostly, what he eats is kheer.
Chawal ki kheer.
Chawal ki kheer.
What was her favorite subject in school?
I know, not favorite subject actually. You know, she used to hate actually, which used to be my favorite subject.
What?
Mathematics.
But my favorite subject.
Favorite subject was English,
Geography.
which she don't know anything about.
No, actually English.
Yeah.
What about his?
His favorite maths, mathematics.
Baniya. Though she is a Sindhi, she should also like maths.
I hate maths. I don't understand.
That's why she had to do a job for so long.
As if you retired.
Her favorite cartoon character?
Cartoon character. Character. Mickey Mouse?
No.
I know. I'm just
Tintin.
Tintin. Okay. Tintin was like.
And what's his favorite character?
No way. No way. No way.
मतलब कार्टून बताया नहीं तुमने कौन सा अच्छा लगता है तुमको?
मुझे
Oswald.
नहीं, मुझे डोनाल्ड डक अच्छा लगता था मेरा.
Which was the first dish she cooked for you?
She cooked for me. I remember that day. We were supposed to eat, but we drank and passed out actually.
No,
Without
that day
that.
we ordered food from outside.
Yeah.
I didn't go.
But 2-3 things actually which she regularly used to cook and which I used to love. आलू पराठा
नहीं ये क्वेश्चन किसके लिए था?
मेरे लिए. First dish you cooked for me. Actually, I'll tell you. Dal, chawal and aloo, tale hue aloo.
Correct.
Fried.
It was not aloo ka paratha.
I know. First dish, you know. But it used regularly was aloo ka paratha.
Which was the first dish he cooked for you?
He cooks stories. Can't cook food.
हाँ, चाय बनाया मैंने. चाय.
Chai is not food.
अंडा भी बनाता था मैं कभी भी. तो
You can just cook stories.
हेलो, अंडा नहीं बनाया कभी मैंने. ऑमलेट एंड ब्रेड.
मैंने बनाया है
तो
हमेशा.
भाई मैं किधर मना कर रहा. कभी मैं एक बार जिंदगी बनाया होगा, वही बदलो.
बनाया होगा वो भी तुमको याद नहीं.
बनाया. अच्छा चलो.
Who said I love you first?
He said.
Yeah, I said I think I love you, right? And then she said, you think? I said no, I'm sure.
No, I think I'm sure. You think you're sure? I said, no, I am sure.
Who wants to say I love you right now?
I love you.